ladies and gentlemen. I'm John, and we're here to talk to you today about the magical world of concrete. TM. What are we talking about today? Ooh, it's Q&A Wednesday. You know, we did a few videos today, and I've been saying that every single video. And what?
And coffee talk.
But it's not concrete coffee talk, because this coffee tastes like. It's not your fault. It's just crap coffee. Look at that. It has a donut on it. Come on. You know Whitney got it on sale from Walmart. You know, in the front at the capstone. Just terrible. Terrible coffee. Okay. So we got a Q&A day. Pretty excited because it's one of my favorite people out in the concrete industry. You should check out his concrete group. At what university does it go to? It's in Pennsylvania. But Joe DiBucci, you're awesome, and I think your group, what was it called? Concreate. What a brilliant name and an awesome group to get people energized and excited about concrete. Joe, thanks for everything you do, bud. Let's get on with the question. I keep slamming the desk. I'm going to stop.
Yeah.
Stop doing that. We're going to stop doing that. So, ding! Could you explain what sort of admixtures would be beneficial to the challenge of creating a more viscous mix that is pumpable? Could an admixture solution be applied to the concrete during pumping to produce a coating or some sort of structure for the support of the mix? Wonderful set of questions, Joe. We're going to attack them one by one. First of all, what is meant by the word viscous or viscosity? What happens when we increase the viscosity of concrete? And the definition of it is, what we're considering or doing is increasing the resistance to lateral shear. So water has a lower viscosity than, let's say, peanut butter. And by the way, this question comes from our vlog 377 on challenges of 3D printing fresh property. So, Joe, to answer your question, there's a lot of materials out there that can be used, and forget 3D printing, let's just talk concrete in general, to increase the viscosity or the resistance to lateral shear, especially after energy has been taken away. And the place most viscosity modifying admixtures were xanthan gum, dextrose. Now there are petroleum-based products. One of my favorites is colloidal silica. Brian H. Green, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, wrote a paper in the late 80s on a fluid rock matching grout with hematite sand, and he kept it all together using an ultrafine amorphous colloidal silica. Excellent, excellent paper. One of my favorites, something that got me interested into colloidal silica, but he was basically using the colloidal silica as a viscosity modifying additive and found a lot of great secondary benefits for compressive strength, wave attenuation on the backside of that, but ultimately was using that colloidal silica of keeping that mixed together. Now, can you add these things? Let me see. Could the admixture solution absolutely. It could be incorporated into the pumping system. There's a wonderful paper written by, I believe it's Cement and Concrete Research or SpringLink. Haley will find the link and put it below. And it goes over active rheology control, I said that right, active rheology control and active stiffening control. And yeah, a lot of 3D printing companies are putting some type of chemical closer to the nozzle or further away from the nozzle, but definitely further away from the mixing station to change up the viscosity of that material as it goes through the line. Now, what are those materials? That's proprietary, and obviously it's trade secret to the type of materials they're using, the type of system, and the properties that they need. But the the link below gives a lot of information, a lot of different materials and methods outside of adding chemistry. I mean, you can use magnets, you could heat the material, you can use electrically conductive material. So there's a lot of different ways of going after that rheology control. It's not just using the chemistry. So check out the link below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again for an awesome question. Yeah, definitely looks like I answered it. I could watch your videos for hours. Keep up the good work. You're awesome, Joe. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go, go, go!